In this video, I will show you how to connect your Samsung Smart TV to a Wi-Fi network so you can now stream and access the internet using your Samsung Smart TV. Now first things first, you want to make sure that you are at the home of your Samsung Smart TV. So if you're not at the home, just go ahead and press on the home button on your remote control. Now from the home, you just want to use the navigation button over here on your remote control and then just navigate horizontally to the left hand side. So just navigate like so until you get to the settings icon over here, which is basically this gear icon. Now go ahead and select it or click on the enter button on your remote control. Now from the settings of your Samsung Smart TV, you want to scroll down until you get to general over here. Now go ahead and select general, and from general you want to scroll down to network, click on network and click on open network settings just like so. Now since we are connecting to a Wi-Fi network, which is basically a wireless network, you want to go ahead and select wireless. And from here, your Samsung Smart TV will automatically start searching for all of the available Wi-Fi networks it can actually connect to. So go ahead and make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on and available to connect to. And once you've done that, your Samsung Smart TV should be able to find the name of your Wi-Fi network in this list of networks over here. In my case, I'll be connecting to Redmi 12, which is basically my Wi-Fi network. So I want to go ahead and select it. And now you want to go ahead and enter the password of your Wi-Fi network. So I'll go ahead and enter mine. And once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on the done button over here on this virtual keyboard. So go ahead and click on done. And automatically, your Samsung Smart TV should be able to connect to your Wi-Fi network. And you can literally see over here, mine has been able to connect to my Wi-Fi network. So what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on close. So we've been able to connect our Samsung Smart TV over here to a Wi-Fi network. Now you can go ahead and start streaming and accessing the internet using your Samsung Smart TV now that you're connected to the internet. That'll be all on today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.